दुबई में एक विवाहित जोड़े को लॉकडाउन के दौरान काफी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। विदेश में नौकरी चली जाने के बाद वे पार्किंग में रहने के लिए विवश थे। वहीं दूसरी तरफ पत्नी गर्भवती होने के कारण भी उन्हें भारी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा था। वहीं उनकी सहायता के लिए पीसीटी ह्यूमैनिटी के संस्थापक जोगिंदर सिंह सलारिया आगे आए। संस्था की ओर से पहले तो उनका रहने का इंतजाम किया, फिर दुबई सरकार और भारत सरकार से तालमेल करके उन्हें तमिलनाडु लाने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है। इस दौरान पति पत्नी की ओर से संस्था का धन्यवाद किया गया।
Hi, my name is Premalata Palanivel. Actually, I came here for my work. So now I am 32 weeks pregnant. So my husband is also jobless. So he is in his hotel. They're cancelling his visa. Also now we don't have money, anything. So we already registered in Indian embassy to going back to India because now I am 32 weeks pregnant. So this week only I can travel. So after that I can't travel due to my situation because I am not a normal. So I have a diabetes also. Everything is there. So last week we went embassy for a Chennai flight, but they told is already booking is everything is finished. If you register, then definitely we will make you a call. So just wait like that. They told us, but still we are waiting, but we are not getting any phone call. So tomorrow we have that Dubai to Kannur flight. We have, this is our last hope. So apart from that, we can't travel due to this situation. In our side, we don't have any money also. So my insurance is also going to expire on this month last. So now we are helpless. So we just request this PCT Humanity. So do some help for us to go back to India. Thank you.
My name is Pradeep Kumar. I'm from India, Tamil Nadu. Okay, I'm from Madurai. Unfortunately, due to this pandemic, COVID, I have lost my job. Now we are suffering a lot. And my wife is Premalata. She is a pregnant woman, 32 weeks, and we've been approaching a consulate many times to help us out to evacuate from Dubai, as we are financially very weak at this situation and we don't have any option to survive here. And as for the doctor certificate, my wife is 32 weeks pregnant and she's a diabetes level 2 patient, and she's having a fitness certificate till this week. Post to this week she is unfit to travel, so we try our best to contact all the immigration embassy people and help us to travel back to home. I have booked almost 4 tickets before this situation, which is unfortunately getting cancelled through SpiceJet. Now we have only hope to travel to home through the embassy, which is Dubai consulate. So we've been visiting continuously. Before the flight, before the schedule, what the announcement have given, we are following the proper information guidance, but unfortunately we are not getting any support from the consulate. So they just insisted us, you have to wait for a call. So we will call, then you can just travel, they were insisting. But my situation is very critical and she is suffering a lot with the pain of pregnant. So I cannot tolerate the situation. So today morning we went to consulate. We are just a victim for this situation, so nobody is there to help us. So I have only hope with Mr. Sakharia from PCT Humanity. He was our hotel guest, so I approached him this morning and I just requested a help from his side to make us to travel back home safely at this situation. So I request all people who is in this connection to help us to travel back to country. Please help us out. I don't have any option because my wife is 32 weeks and we don't have a proper insurance, and we are not rich people to do maternity in Dubai. We are suffering a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have shared my relevant document of my spouse and all my information, so help us to reach home. Thank you very much.